You will love the features of this 2024 Mazda CX-90. You're sure to fall in love with this beautifully styled CX-90 that offers a family-friendly upscale interior with intuitive infotainment, all-weather capability, generous driver assist safety features, impressive performance, and engaging handling. Let the journey begin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, satellite radio. Luxury blends beautifully with family-friendly versatility in this striking CX-90. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.